This is how you set up the D-Link AX1500 Mesh router. This is the D-Link Eagle Pro AI AX1500 Mesh system M15. This comes in a pack of 2 or 3, and it is part of the Eagle Pro AI family, where we have reviewed the AX1500 Smart Router R15 as well as the AX1500 Mesh Range Extender E15. So do check out the 2 videos that we have done for this family. We're going to unbox this and set it up using the D-Link app. And here are some key features for this router. It has got an AI Wi-Fi optimizer, where it will auto adjust different Wi-Fi channel if there's a need to improve the performance. There's an AI assistant where it will provide a weekly update on the Wi-Fi environment and also report to the user which devices is active at night. Best of all, being in the Eagle Pro AI family, it can mesh with the R15 and the E15, giving it a very flexible deployment. So here are the items in box. There are 2 mesh routers, 2 adapters, an Ethernet cable, a quick installation guide, and a D-Link warranty and safety information. Next, let us take a look at the mesh routers. As you can see over here, at the back of both routers, they are identical. Consists of a power port, an internet port, an Ethernet port, and a button for WPS, and a reset pinhole. So let's set up this mesh router using the Eagle Pro AI app. The next step, we're going to set up the router so that we can use the network. We'll use the Ethernet cable and plug one end into the Internet Service Provider optical network router, which is shown here on the right in black, and plug it into the mesh router. So this is the Ethernet cable that came with it, and we are going to plug it into the port labeled Internet, which is yellow in color. Next, let us power on the mesh router. Plug the power adapter into a wall socket, and with the other end, plug it into the router. Plug into the power port. Finally, turn on the power at the wall socket. You can see that the mesh router LED at the front will light up, and it takes approximately 2 minutes to power up. Once the mesh router has powered up and you see that the LED status is blinking orange, it is time to set it up. You can use the Eagle Pro AI app to set up the router. If you need the app, simply go to Play Store and do a search for Eagle Pro AI from D-Link. Download and install the app. So let's open the Eagle Pro AI app. During the first download and install, when you open the app, you may need to create an account and sign in. In this tutorial, we have already signed in the app. So the next step is to install new device. We can scan the setup code that is located at the bottom of the D-Link router. So let's scan. So we'll set up a new network. We have already done this step. Let's go to next. We have connected our modem. Go to next. And we have also powered on our modem. Go to next. So power on the router. That is done as well. Go to next. It is ready for configuration. Go to next. Connect to device. Select connect. Select your ISP. Our country is Singapore. And our ISP is Singtel. Go to next. So the next step is to create our network. Let's go to next. We can protect our device by using a password to log into your device through the Eagle Pro AI app. We can enter our device name. We'll leave it as M15. Go to next. Let's save all the settings. Next, let's connect our mobile phone to the Wi-Fi network. Once the password is keyed in, select connect. Our mobile device is connected to the network. Let's head back to the Eagle Pro AI app. Go to next. We can set up more devices. We'll continue. Next, we'll place the rest device and check. Place the device in the area where you want to extend the wireless coverage. So for this case, we will plug in the power cable for the second M15 router and power it up. And we'll power it up. So according to the instructions here, make sure that the status LED is solid white when you plug the device into the power outlet. So we'll wait a while for this to happen, for the device to power up and for the status to change. So you can see that the second M15 router, the LED status is now solid white. So on the Eagle Pro AI app, let's go to next. So congratulations, our network is now configured. And so this is how you set up the D-Link AX1500 Mesh router. We have just shown you how to set up one router and get it connected to the network, and the second M15 router to be connected to the network as well, which was just simply turning it on and it will automatically pair and connect. So let's select finish.